So, hello. So basically, what I'm looking at is if you look at this coin now. So I'm looking at flip zones. Okay, so here we broke this structure to the downside, and you can see this selling climax here, this volume here. So that tells me that when the price comes here again, I should be buying. Okay, so I wait for confirmation. Now we have a bullish order block here on the daily, right? Now I'm going to wait for another mini selling climax. That's a red candle. So if you watch the volumes here, from here, the red volume, they're all low, right? As all this is happening. But can you see this down candle here? Has a slightly higher volume compared to the previous ones. So that is my buy signal. And when I buy, because this range has already been covered, and then we are bullish on the weekly, so I can take my profit here, or I can take my profit at uh, the flip zone, which is somewhere here on this line here. Okay, so and I know that this should be around 0.61. So I'm waiting for another signal again. So the secret is get a flip zone and I'll get your selling climax. I'll allow the market to run into that place and break structure, run into the zone. Then when it is coming back, you can wait for a bullish order block to form. Okay, you wait for a bullish order block to form. Okay, and then see on the retest of that bullish order block, this down candle here is a buy entry. That's where you buy. Okay, so your take profit is at the swing high, this place here. All right.